Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're diving into Living DNA, found at livingdna.com. This service offers a unique approach to DNA testing, combining ancestry information with detailed wellness reports. While many DNA testing services focus primarily on your ethnic origins, Living DNA goes a step further, providing insights into your potential predispositions related to vitamins, nutrition, and even exercise. They offer various testing kits, allowing you to choose the level of detail that best suits your needs. Whether you're curious about your ancient family roots or want to understand how your DNA influences your well-being, Living DNA presents a compelling option. Their website is user-friendly and provides extensive information about their testing process, the science behind their analysis, and what you can expect from your results. One of the standout features of Living DNA is their commitment to privacy and data security. They are transparent about how your data is handled and provide clear options for controlling your information. The company prides itself on its global reach, offering detailed regional breakdowns for ancestry, especially within the British Isles. So, if you have British or Irish ancestry, Living DNA might be particularly insightful. They also offer a fascinating Through the Ages feature that visually maps your ancestral migrations across millennia. While Living DNA offers a comprehensive package, it's important to remember that DNA testing, while informative, doesn't provide a complete picture of your health or ancestry. These tests offer probabilities and insights, not definitive diagnoses or historical records. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or genealogist to interpret your results in a more holistic context. If you're considering exploring your ancestry or learning more about your genetic predispositions, Living DNA certainly warrants consideration. They provide a user-friendly platform, detailed reporting, and a strong emphasis on privacy. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more information.